Hi, welcome to Becoming YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how I installed smart under cabinet lighting. Yeah.
Alright, so these are the LED strips I use. These are the Ledmo SMD 5630s. These were 16 feet 4 inches. They're daylight white, and I got these on Amazon for $10. So these are the non-waterproof type. They'll come like this in basically a reel, so you just pull off as much as you need and you cut it. Little yellow rectangles are going to be your LEDs, and in between those are two positive and negative terminal pads. So basically you're going to cut this to the length you require, you're going to cut it, and then you're going to wire in between the two segments, and you can get as an LED strip as long as you need. I also chose to buy these are smart outlets. You can buy these on Amazon of any kind of brand. I chose to get these because I didn't want to reach in and unplug and replug my under cabinet lighting every time I wanted to use them. I got this on Amazon as well. I got two of these for $28. And then also I bought this same brand, this Ledmo. I bought a power supply for these LED strips. It was a 12 volt 5 amp power supply. It cost me $9. It's installed, that's why I don't have it down here to show you. But basically you can buy any power supply that's 12 volt 5 amps you could use, as long as it has the adapter that these LED strips come with on the end.
As you can see, I have my LED under cabinet lighting on, and I have a stove with a microwave above it. And above the microwave is a cabinet with an outlet, and that's where I installed that smart outlet so I could turn my LED strips on and off with my phone. Next to that is just a generic power supply. It's a Ledmo 12 volt 5 amp power supply is the one recommended. That power supply cord then runs in this cabinet where it runs down to this first run of LED stripping. Basically I measured the amount I needed, cut it, and soldered some 18 gauge wire onto the end there, and then drill a hole, and then it goes right back up this cabinet, back across, and then back down to this strip right here. So basically I cut strips to the length I needed, and then jumpered between them with that 18 gauge wire all the way over to here, and then right back up. I go back up here, and then obviously I should probably hide that in the wall, but as for now it's just sitting there. And then it goes into the top of this cabinet, down to the bottom, where it's connected to this last LED strip. And then if you're going to use the same cabinet lights that I did, a couple other things you might need are some adhesive. If you're going to use these lights, although they say they're adhesive backed, the adhesive doesn't work for anything, so make sure that you have something to stick them to your cabinets with. Additionally, you're going to need some 18 gauge wire and some solder to make your runs between cabinets. So if you have a cabinet floating out in the middle of nowhere like this one, you can get to it. You also need a drill, obviously, so you can drill your holes through your cabinets. And other than that, it's a pretty simple project. Relatively speaking, the lights, the power supply is all pretty cheap. It just takes a little bit of time, and you can put cabinet lights just about anywhere you want them.